Cosmetology Thread Implantation Level 1. Collagen Thread Implantation. Collagen Thread Implantation. Introduction. In today's industrial world, living standards are increasingly being improved, quality of life is increasingly valued, especially in developed countries, even in undeveloped and underdeveloped countries. Economic. The need for beauty is also one of the essential needs of life. In the past few decades, cosmetic methods such as surgery, Botox injection, filler injection etc. are increasingly developed but also cause many side effects such as facial paralysis, making the face expressionless, or swelling. Masonry. In the past 5 to 7 years, the threading beauty method is increasingly being developed. Most of the above side effects have been overcome. Compared with other beauty methods, threading is safer, less dangerous for patients, and recently in Europe, there is a method of injecting gynecollagen to tighten facial skin, remove wrinkles, and cure bone and joint diseases. Hair loss is very safe, increasingly trusted in the US and European countries without causing side effects like Botox and filler. Gynecollagen can be used in conjunction with cosmetic threading to help the skin rejuvenate faster and the depressions and deep wrinkles are restored quickly. These self-digestible threads all naturally increase collagen production for the body. Cosmetic threading can do anti-wrinkle, facelift, anti-sagging muscle, anti-droopy eyelid, nose lift, can rejuvenate from 5 to 10 years old, maintain from 6 months to 1 year, then when only after dissolving, it still stimulates collagen production. Anti-wrinkle and anti-sagging neck area. The chest part, for those who have sagging breasts and wrinkled breast skin, can all be solved by threading. In addition, it is possible to reduce fat, reduce body fat, especially the abdomen, buttocks, waist, or local fat reduction. And prevent flabby biceps, thighs can even prevent knee and hand wrinkles can also be threaded etc. Unlike conventional plastic surgeons, our cosmetic threading method is also applied on acupuncture points of the lung, liver, spleen, and kidney organs, lungs, livers, spleen, kidneys. To restore the function to help ligaments, muscles, skin more durable and help the body's detoxification purpose for long-term stable aesthetic effect. In this time, with a very short time, I will introduce to you the method of cosmetic threading for the face, chest, abdomen, thighs, and biceps. Models are required in each case, depending on the client's requirements. Normally, the face is divided into 3 parts, from the hairline to the eye level, from the eye level to the nose level, and from the nose to the chin. Blank. Normally, people from the age of 25 to 35 often ask to do each part, over 45 years old often have to do the whole face. Depending on the body of each customer, each person has a unique need. Especially, about the chest, if the chest is small, it can be made bigger. Cosmetic threading can be combined with injection of gynecollagen under the skin. In cases where the patient has swollen eyelids, tissues are injected or the face with melasma is also injected with tissues. In addition to wrinkles, hair loss in patches, 2 types of tissues are used. And ghost tricks in combination, even without cosmetic implants, you can still use gynecollagen, usually a course of 8 times the effect lasts for 3 years. The origin of this method is from Milano, Italy. We have 40 years experience in thread implantation healing and 10 years experience in cosmetic surgery with lots of success. There are many types of threads that can be used for cosmetic purposes. 1. Biomasian, PDO, is the safest thread and meets European standards, a collaboration between Korea and Germany. Only dissolves within 6 months. After 6 months, it continues to stimulate the body to produce collagen 18 months. 2. Ultra, self-expendable thread for 1 year. Mono PCL, the one with only one thread. Hiko cannula PCL, the type has only one thread, the needle is obtuse. V double twist PDO Tornado PCL. 3. Eugen Korea Lift Series product line, to rejuvenate with plain thread. Mono, twist only, spring, stimulates blood vessels, whitens skin, anti-aging, filling the skin using thread keg consisting of 6 mono fibers that combine to form a unified mass to fill in areas of skin folds or wrinkles. Mechanism of action of cosmetic threading. The thread heals the aging skin cells by increasing the proliferation of lymphocytes, eosinophil. After a month, after 3 winds, it makes the collagen condense, create collagen. It works to loosen collagen fibers. There is separation of adipocyte after a month and collagen fibers will thicken. Adipocyte will disappear around the PDO thread. It stimulates the growth of cells and the shape of collagen makes it thicker, makes the face lift, whitens the skin and reduces the subcutaneous fat layer. Lift and contour the face using a needle. Cod blunt head is usually used 19G, 70 to 100 mm, or 20G 100 mm or 23G, 60 to 90 mm. Needle cannula to prevent bleeding and prevent injury. Before inserting the needle, it must be anesthetized and punched with a 20-point needle first. Effects and applications of Biomasian and other cosmetic threads. Face skin. In the process of draining stimulates the SMA's layer to alleviate skin sagging and at the same time promotes skin regeneration by activating the production of skin proteins, collagen and elastin. Wrinkles in eyes. By its strong lifting effect, skin regeneration and wrinkle removal, it is very effective to remove deep wrinkles, forehead, lip wrinkles etc. Wrinkles in the neck. Masian's method prevents wrinkles around the neck from creating skin rejuvenation with skin and skin regeneration. V-line medical yarn/thread with strong SMAs thanks to the lifting ability of the layer, which helps to create a natural V-line without making the skin wrinkle. Forehead line. 11 cheekbones. Elastin. Eye wrinkles. Neck fine lines. Eye contour. Laugh lines. Chin blank. Reduce wrinkles. Biomasian thread softens the muscle contraction which is the cause of fine lines. Masian thread increases elastin which reduces sagginess of the skin and fill-in lines. Biomasian thread stimulates not only the skin, but also the facial muscles to restructure the aging area, promotes natural beauty. Facelift needle. Masian moves facial tissues, defines the contours of the face, in certain directions with controlled thickness of skin tissue to correct facial imbalances. Chronic facial imbalance with Masian biotherapy. A medical fiber is inserted into the skin to reconstruct the contours of facial contours. In addition, it relaxes muscle stiffness, restores nerves, and improves nervous disorders. Obesity. Since it has the ability to help lose weight at the desired location with Masian needles, it can be applied not only to patients who want to lose weight in specific areas but also those who want to lose weight in general. Techniques. 1. Facial aesthetics, forehead, cheeks, lips, chin wrinkles. On the forehead, wrinkles around the mouth. Crisscrossing threads. Use thread with spikes to increase your lifting ability. Saggy cheeks in elderly. 1. Thread the thread from under the 2 sides of the chin towards the ears. 2. From the 2 corners of the mouth to the direction of ting gong, Erman from Jiachi, III-35 towards Chuan Liao, VI-18-33 use thread with spikes. Puffy eyes anesthetes around the eyes. Apply lidocaine cream after 10 to 15 minutes. Insert thread under the eyelid, and cross the tail of the eye. Quantity from 2 to 5 strands depending on the level. Possibly add acupoints for kidney, spleen, lung, and liver. 7-13, 23, 20, 18. Eyelid and eyebrow lifting anesthesia in the forehead and around the eyes. Insert thread perpendicular to the eyebrows. Forehead length 25/30 - 38/50. Insert thread across the eyelid, 25.30. Rhinoplasty anesthetes 2% lidocaine, or apply lidocaine cream for 10 to 15 minutes. Use needle number 20 to punch hole in the middle of nose bridge. Can add 2 sides of the wings 0.3 cm. Thread the needle straight down the bridge of the nose in case the nose is high at the head, broken, flat at the top of nose bridge, or evenly throughout the nose. Use needle 20 to punch a hole in the middle of the tip. This method also helps to prevent wrinkles between the eyebrows in the elderly. Rhinoplasty. The case of a flat nose. Evenly the bridge of the nose is quite high, but it is flat at the tip of the nose. The wings of the nose are large. Anesthesia or pre-anesthesia. Use the number 20 needle to punch a hole in the middle of the tip. Thread the needle with the obtuse tip from the nose to the base of the nose. Withdraw the needle slowly, holding the tip of the thread with one hand. Reducing belly fat. Application of acupuncture points. Insert threads through 4:21 to 12:13, 7:20 to 7:25, 14:12 to 14:9, 4:6 to 4:2 or 4:33, 21 to 3:28 THEN, 1 cm from the navel. Insert a fan-shaped needle if the belly is too saggy. In many cases, reducing stomach fat also helps reduce back fat. If moderate fat, use line number 1 720 to 725. If high fat, use line number 2 750 to 752. Conclusion: cosmetic threading is a simple method but requires a lot of clinical experience. Want to do good, safe, and effective aesthetics for customers? The doctor must know the anatomy, features, and effects of each type of thread. Absolutely sterile to be able to do the job, you must practice at least 10 people or more at a safe level. So you have to practice step by step with all the spirit, responsibility, confidence of a doctor. Always strive to become a good doctor to bring many good benefits to yourself and the society.